Good morning. Welcome to Camille's Country Corner. I'm Camille, and this is my garden. And those are my girls barking at a neighbor. All right, I planted a second round of beans. That's what that is. Gladiolas are finally coming up. That always looks beautiful. Been very plentiful. The begonias. All right, we've got some mini watermelons growing. These are sugar babies. We have some mini butternut squash coming on. Those look fantastic. Some of my yellow squash, and I have gotten no zucchini so far. My pumpkins, they're finally flowering. It's a little early still for those. We've got one yellow squash coming on. Bees are doing their job out here. Oh, the ladies are looking beautiful. My zinnias and marigolds are finally coming out. The corn may or may not do anything. It's almost as tall as I am, so about 5 foot. I'm 5'4". We have a new pepper plant, poblano, coming on. Here's my second round of beans over here. My first harvest wasn't too bad. We have got a whole lot of Roma tomatoes coming on. And I don't think I've shared this before, but I've got these seeds from the dollar store. So my whole harvest was $0.25. I've lost some to too much water. I have a black pepper coming on. I've already eaten one. They're really good. They were supposed to be red peppers, but they turned black instead. Green pepper coming on. It's a pretty good size, actually. If my tomatoes don't rot because of too much water, I'm going to have a great tomato harvest. We've got lots. Normally, for the determinate tomatoes, you don't trim, but I did today. Have a small little head of cabbage coming on. I didn't think anything was going to happen with those. Got some black-eyed Susans. An abundance of herbs. My dill is already going to seed. I have been making pesto, if you've watched any of my cooking videos. We have some jalapenos coming on. Those are pretty good size. We pick them now, or I can wait until they get red and they get hotter as they go on. A couple more very small heads of cabbage. Not bad for out of the 8 I bought. I'm gonna get 3 little heads. Actually, I have quite a few green peppers coming on. This is the weirdest one. It's growing straight out the top of the plant. But where I have them directed in the sun is where, depending on where they are, if I have a good growth. My kale has finally picked up and it's usable again. I took care of my caterpillar problem. I just used some water with some dish soap, and I put a little bit of peppermint oil. That works for the aphids on the tomatoes, but that also worked for the cabbage and the kale. And I think I got that concoction from, I think her name is Jill Winger. I will try to find her video and link that below, where she explains the different organics to use for your container gardens, or actually any gardens. I'm using them for my container gardens. A couple more of the basils. My cucumbers look terrible, but they're very tasty. They're just very small and round and yellow, but I've gotten a few. All right, let's take a look. Let me back up here so you can see the whole garden. It's beautiful. I've been cooking out of the garden, so I hope you go over to my cooking videos and catch some of those recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share if you have anyone that is doing a container garden and needs some tips. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.